Meron tayo dito bagong module. Ay, ano na naman yan? Ito ay tinatawag na Mercury tilt sensor. Mercury tilt sensor. You know, may mercury. Pag tinilt mo yan, nagko-contact yung dalawang terminal. Pag tinilt mo, nawawala yung contact. Kaya siya tinawag na tilt sensor. Tatlo yung kanyang pins. Oy, paano gumana yan? Ito ang kailangan natin. Lagay natin. Ano na naman ang gagawin dyan? Abay, lagyan natin ng supply para malaman natin kung anong paano ito gumana. Oh. Meron na siyang power LED on. Pag tinilt mo yan, diba? Ma-alarm siya. Oh. May ilaw yung LED, tumutunog yung buzzer. Yun yung ating bagong project. Tilt sensor, Mercury, alarm. Yung buzzer natin, homemade yan module. LED homemade module. Ito lang ang binili ko. Mercury tilt sensor. Ayun nagko-contact yung Mercury pag dumikit doon sa dalawang terminal. Now we have the figure 1 Mercury tilt sensor module. So this is the same with this actual module that we have. I trace the connection of a resistor, power LED, the Mercury sensor, and then it has 3 pins. So after tracing the connection, I arrive at this circuit. So we have the ground connected, the switch or the tilt sensor switch, then the BCC connected is the power LED, then to the ground, and then the output connected to the other end of the tilt sensor. And we have now this figure. This is an equivalent schematic diagram of what we have. It's the same. We have the ground, the BCC, positive, and then the out. So the switch is connected here and the power LED is in parallel. Also, the ground is here. So this is the equivalent schematic diagram. And for our project, we now coming to the project. So this is now the schematic diagram of the Mercury tilt sensor alarm. So in here, we have the BCC or voltage supply of 5 volts. That is the power bank. Power bank is 5 volts. So that's BCC, and then the ground. In parallel is the power LED. Red with 680 ohms resistor. Power indicator. So once we connect the power, it will turn on. And the buzzer, this is a buzzer module from my last project. This is a homemade module with positive and negative connection or terminal, and then the LED with 150 ohms resistor in series with the LED bulb. This is an output LED. So these two module is are connected in parallel, as you can see here, and in series with the sensor. So once we tilt the sensor, it will close the switch, and then the current flows into the LED, then to the ground. It will turn on the LED, the output LED, the red one, and then it will alarm the buzzer. So the buzzer is 5 volts, because there are so many different types of buzzer. There is a 3 volts, 5 volts, and 9 volts, 12 volts buzzer. But in our project, we are using a 5 volts buzzer. That's why it is connected without resistor. So once we tilt it again, it will open the switch. Tilting it again, it will close the switch, causing the current to flow into the LED to the ground, and then the buzzer to the ground. They will turn on at the same time. So that is the schematic diagram of our project. As you can see here, this is the output plus. We can connect another load here, output, and then here. These two terminals are the output. So once we tilt it, it will sound the buzzer and it will turn on the LED with the use of our power bank.